County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Concord, or 9 miles west.
A tornado warning for central Guernsey County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Concord.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Concord around 4:15 p.m. Cambridge around 4:30 p.m. Gisville around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Antrim, Lower City, Salt Fork State Park, Bowdoin, Old Washington, Otsego, and Salesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 174 and 194. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 54. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Guernsey, Ohio.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following
Northeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near